Hello everyone, today I am going to explain Gauss elimination method. In this, consider the system of equation a11x1 plus a12x2 plus a13x3 is equal to b. a21x1 plus a22x2 plus a23x3 is equal to b2. a31x1 plus a32x2 plus a33x3 is equal to b3. Now this system of equation will be given as solved by Gauss elimination method x plus y plus z is equal to 9 as an example. So x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 8, 2x plus y minus z is equal to 3. Now the method of solving this is the augmented matrix A is to B. So the coefficient of x is A11, coefficient of x2 is A12, coefficient of x3 is A13 and this is B1. A21, 22, 23, B2. A31, 32, 33 and B3. So here also I am going to write coefficient of x 1, coefficient of y, coefficient of z, and this one is 9. Here 1, minus 2, 3, 8, and this is 2, 1, minus 1 and 3. So to solve this Gauss elimination method, you have to make these elements as a 0. Okay. So this is called as upper triangular matrix. Now here in this R2, okay, this is your diagonal elements. Now you have to make these elements as a 0. Keep row 1 as it is. Now R2, this is row 2. So row 2, row R2 minus R1. Okay, and to make this as a 0, I'll write it here R3, R3 minus 2 times of R1. Okay, now write row 1 as it is. Now R2 minus R1, so this will become 0. Minus 2 minus 1, substitute in this. Okay, minus 2 minus 1 will become minus 3. R2 is 3, minus 1 is 2. Okay, substitute in this. So this is R2 is 8, minus 9. So it is minus 1. Now this one, R3 is 2, minus 2 into R1. So 2 minus 2 will become 0. Now 1 minus 2 into 1 is 2. So this will become minus 1. Now minus 1 minus 2 will become minus 3. Now here R3 is 3, minus 2 nines are 18. So it will become minus 15. Again, for your understanding, mark like this. Now you have to make this element as a 0. Okay. Now I have to make this element as a 0 because you can see here 0, 0. This element I have to make 0. So this is R3, means row 3. So to make it 0, I must write minus 3 R3, okay, plus R2. This is row 2. Now write other elements as it is. 1, 1, 1, 9. This also same. Okay, this 0. Minus into minus is plus. 3 into 1 is 3. Plus 3 minus 3 will become 0. Minus into minus is plus. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2 will become 11. Okay. Next, minus into minus is plus. 15 into 3 is 45. 45 minus 1 will become 44. So you can see this is called as upper triangular matrix. These elements are 0. Now you have to write this as 1 into x plus 1 into y plus 1 into z is equal to 9. Okay, here this is 0 minus 3y plus 2z is equal to minus 1, and the last 0 plus 11z is equal to 44. From this I'll get z value, that is 44 divided by 11 is 4. Now substitute this z value in this. Minus 3y plus 2z is equal to minus 1. Minus 3y plus 2, z value is 4. Take this minus 3y on the right hand side, it will become plus 4 2s are 8. Take this minus 1 on the left hand side, it will become 9. So 9 is equal to 3y. 3 1s are 3 3s are. Therefore y value is 3. Substitute y value and z value in first equation. So x plus y value is 3, z value is 4 is equal to 9. Therefore x is equal to 9 minus 3 plus 4 is 7. So x is equal to 2. Now the second question is, solve by Gauss elimination method x1 minus 2x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 2, 3x1 minus x2 plus 4x3 is equal to 4, 2x1 plus x2 minus 2x3 is equal to 5. Now I'll write in the matrix form. The coefficient of this is 1. Okay. Minus 2, 3 and 2. Here the coefficient is 3. Here the coefficient is minus 1, 4 and here 4. So 2, 1, coefficient is 2 and 5. Okay. Now let me mark like this for better understanding. So I have to make these elements as a 0. Fine. So here I am going to write R2. To make this 0, I'll write R2 minus, here 1 is there, so 3 times of R1 will make this element as a 0. Now parallelly I want to make this as a 0. So R3, so I'll write here R3 minus, since there is a 2 here, I'm going to multiply this with the 2. You just see, first row write as it is. This will become 3 minus 3 will become 0. Minus 1 and plus 6 will become 5. You have to substitute the values here in this. Now R2 is 4 here. Okay. 3 3s are 9. So 4 minus 9 will become minus 5. Now R2 is 4 here. Minus 3 2s are 6. 4 minus 6 will become minus 2. I hope you are understanding. Next here in R3, R3 is 2 here. Minus 2 into 1 is 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 plus 2 2s are 4. So the answer is 5. Minus 2 minus 6 will become minus 8. 5 minus 4 will become 1. Now again mark like this. Okay. Now you have to make this element as a 0 now. So R3, the row is R3. So I'll write R3 minus R2. R2. So it will become 0. I'll write here. Write first row elements as it is. Don't change. Second row also write as it is. Fine. Third row, okay, 0 minus 0 will become 0. 5 minus 5 will become 0. Minus 8 plus 5 will become minus 3. 1 minus of minus will become 3. Again mark like this. Okay. So these elements have become 0. So what you can write is x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 2. 5y minus 5z is equal to minus 2. Minus 3z is equal to 3. Now you will get here z value. 3 divided by minus 3 will become minus 1. Substitute this in equation number 2, that is 5y minus 5z is equal to minus 2. Okay, z value is minus. So minus into minus is plus. So minus 2 minus 5. So 5y is equal to minus 7. So y is equal to minus 7 upon 5. So if you calculate this in calculator, you will get minus 1.4. Substitute in first equation. X plus x minus 2y. Okay. Plus 3z is equal to 2. X minus 2, y value is minus 1.4 plus 3 into minus 1 is equal to 2. If you calculate this in calculator, you will get a x value as a 2.2. This completes your Gauss elimination method. I hope you understood well. Thank you for watching and keep watching other videos.